Thanks, John Hart. Augie always loves CTG Day. Our question this week is, when's the best time to move perennials, roses, or small trees? And the answer is autumn. Autumn's the best time to do most planting and transplanting in Central Texas gardens. So it's perfectly safe to move any perennials that have lost their leaves and gone dormant to a better location now if you need to. Smaller, younger plants will handle the shock of being moved better than older, larger ones will. But pretty much any plant in your yard that has to be moved would best be moved in the fall, except for tropical plants, which you should hold off disturbing until early spring, after the last frost has passed. Even though we've had some crazy cold winter surprises the last couple of years, our soils don't freeze, so roots generally stay protected. Soil amendments are generally not necessary when transplanting, as plants don't grow enough during the first winter to use those nutrients. But a nice layer of mulch around the root zone is always a good idea. And don't forget to water. Newly transplanted plants will have disturbed roots, so water will be even more important for them until they get acclimated to their new spot. A favorite houseplant this time of year is Christmas cactus, the common name for a group of cactus species native to tropical regions of Brazil that flower around this time of year. These beautiful plants produce their show-stopping blooms in response to shorter days, so they're very popular gifts this time of year. David Lee shared pictures of one that's been in his family for over 100 years. In summer, he takes them outside to a patio that's shaded by live oak trees. Even in last summer's record heat, they were fine, but he checked the soil moisture every other day and watered them when they were dry. Of course, you'll want to bring your Christmas cactus inside in the fall to a location of your home with bright, indirect light so that you can protect them from the cold. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your stories, pictures, and videos.